I love passive income. There's no secret about it. I love passive income. Today, I'm going to show you another way on how to make passive income. One of the hardest ways to actually earn passive income besides dividends and real estate. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn passive income through music royalties. I'm Zeke from the Dream Green Show. Let's get into it. Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Zeke. If you're new to this channel, I make videos mainly on how to make passive income, how to earn money besides just working a 9-to-5 at your job, and how to invest your money. I usually earn passive income through dividends. I grow a dividend account. I usually grow my portfolio by buying a dividend stock every single week or a couple every single month. And I do also buy some growth stocks. And I also bought my first real estate property this year that I'm going to be doing future videos of my real estate property in the future. So if you want to check that out, make sure you head down to the subscribe button and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. But those are a couple ways that I make passive income. I have YouTube, I have my dividend portfolio with my stocks, and I have my real estate. So a fourth way that not a lot of people actually talk about on YouTube is royalties. Okay, so you might be asking, what is a royalty? Okay, a royalty is a payment made by one party, the license or franchise, to another that owns a particular asset, the licensor or franchisor, for the right to ongoing use of that asset. So that's basically what a royalty is. If I come up with an invention and I patent that, anybody that used my patent, I'm going to get royalties every time they sell that product. Today, we're going to be talking about music royalties. But you're saying, hey, I can't sing, I can't rap. How am I going to make music royalties? Well, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you this website that you could go on and actually buy platinum hits and own the rights to those songs that you will make money on every single year. And all you have to do is pay taxes on those properties that you own. All right, so keep in mind that you could buy royalties to a song from anywhere from 5 years, 10 years, or the lifetime contract, all the way up to 70 years. I think 70 years is the lifetime contract after death. And you'll be able to buy each of those at a different price. So you might be able to buy a song, a platinum hit song, for 10 years for $190,000. But if you wanted those lifetime rights to those royalties to a platinum song, you might be spending upwards to almost $1 million for that song. But you do not have to buy a platinum hit. You could also buy artists that you believe that is going to blow up in the future. And you could buy those rights to those songs anywhere from $30,000 for 10 years or $30,000 for 50 years on the royalties to their song. Now, don't get it wrong, this is a business. Those artists could have went out and paid advertisement to boost the plays of those songs just because they knew that they was going to sell the royalties to those songs at the end of the year, just to show that this song is making this much money this month, these last couple of months, this last year, this is how much you should sell it for. So you have to do your research on how much these songs were making last year, the year before that, and the year before that, just so you can know the ballpark of how much money you're going to make in the future on your song. Now you could work for a business for you. Once you buy the song, you could go out and talk to these different companies and say, hey, you could use this song in this video, you could use this song on this TV show, on this commercial, and you could advertise the song yourself and make even more money from the song. Once you own the properties to the rights of that song, you can make more money than that artist was actually making themselves, because they have a million other songs that they're worried about. But you could control that one song and go out and make money from that one song just by you being an advertisement of your own intellectual property. Okay, so the website I'm talking about is called Royalty Exchange. You could go on there right now and sign up and buy, well, place bids on many different songs that are up for auctions at the moment. Now, it's not a site that you could just sign up and place a bid. You actually have to sign up, go through an interview process. They're gonna call you, make sure that you have the funds 2 hours in advance before you can even place a bid. So it's a very trustworthy website that you could go on to buy these royalties to these musics. So you can't just go on there and make blind bids. They actually go through an interview process to make sure that you're a serious buyer, because there's a lot of money involved when it comes to these rights to these songs. So let's pull up Royalty Exchange right quick on my laptop, just so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay guys, here we go. It's Royalty Exchange. This is the website that I was telling you guys about. If you want to buy royalties, this has been featured on the Wall Street, Forbes, Bloom, Rolling Stones. So some of the songs that are up right now would be Sean Paul, No Lie featuring Dua Lipa. Don't know who that is, but the publishing is from Sean Paul, Jason Derulo, and Pitbull for $237,000. That has 1 day left. So that's not in a lot of people ballparks to buy a song at that price. Maybe if you've been in it for a while. But here's another one that actually sold not too long ago that you guys would know. Jay-Z and Alicia Keys, they're sold for $190,000. Let's see, how long was it for? The terms were for 10 years, and over the last 12 months they made $32,000. So you multiply that by 10 years and that would be the price you would get. So this starting bid was at $110,000. The bid increasement was $3,500, and the closing price is $190,500 for the royalties to this song for 10 years. And remember, you're at the end of the year, you have to pay your music taxes on your profit. Okay, so the one that I had an eye on was the Charlie Wilson K-pop hits. All right, so the last 12 months, this song has made $9,548. If we click on this, let's see how long the terms were. The terms were for 10 years. So if we pull out the calculator, the last 12 months is $9,548, and you're buying the rights to this for 10 years. That is $95,000, and the current price right now is $33,000. So you subtract that, $95,000 minus $33,000. You can have a profit of $62,000 getting paid out every single year for the next 10 years, owning the rights to Charlie Wilson K-pop hits. And I heard K-pop is getting big somewhere. I haven't heard it, but I heard K-pop is getting pretty big out there along the lines in the world. So this might be a great investment for you to profit $62,000. So if you do have $33,000 to invest and you don't want to put that down payment on a house, or you already own real estate, maybe you want to add another source of income such as royalties as a source of income. So you can own royalties to songs, to music, and once you make your profit back from this song, you could come back and buy another song, and sooner or later you'll have a whole portfolio of royalty songs that's paying you out every single month, every single year, that you're going to accumulate. So you will have real estate, your dividends, your job, and you'll have royalties coming in just like that. So now you guys know exactly how to get music royalties every single year added to your portfolio as another source of passive income. Now you can make this a job and go out and advertise this music to different companies, different shows, different concerts, and actually make more money than you actually expected to get out at the end of the day from this, if you make this your actual job, being just owning different royalties to different kinds of music. But yeah, guys, I'm not an inventor, so I don't have any patents or anything like that. So I am actually looking for a way to make royalty incomes. I thought this one was pretty cool. I'm going to keep my options open to see what else out there I can do to get royalty income. So if you have any other ideas on how a small investor can start making royalty income, please leave that down in the descriptions below. It'll help me out a lot, it'll help the community out a lot, and we can discuss it down in the comment section. Other than that, this is Zeke bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.